If you drive a diesel vehicle, water in fuel is one of the most dangerous problems your engine can face. Just a small amount of water inside the fuel system can cause injector corrosion, fuel pump damage, loss of power, and expensive repairs that can cost thousands of dollars. The good news is that a high-quality diesel fuel treatment can remove water and protect your engine. So in this video, we'll look at the top 5 best diesel treatments for water in fuel available on Amazon that diesel owners and mechanics actually trust. Let's start with number 5. Coming in at number 5, we have Lucas Oil Fuel Treatment, one of the most widely used diesel additives on the market. This treatment is designed to improve fuel lubrication while helping control small amounts of water in diesel fuel. One of the biggest benefits of Lucas Oil is that modern ultra-low sulfur diesel fuel doesn't provide enough lubrication for fuel pumps and injectors. This additive helps protect those components while also cleaning the fuel system and reducing carbon deposits. Drivers often report smoother engine operation and better fuel economy after regular use. Pros: excellent injector lubrication. Large value size bottles. Trusted brand among mechanics. Cons: not the strongest product for severe water contamination. Overall, it's a great preventative diesel fuel treatment for everyday driving. At number 4, we have Stanodyne Performance Formula, a diesel additive that is actually produced by a company that manufactures fuel injection systems for diesel engines. That means their additive is specifically engineered to protect sensitive fuel components. This formula helps disperse water in diesel fuel, clean injectors, and improve fuel lubricity. It also increases the cetane rating of diesel fuel, which can lead to smoother combustion, easier cold starts, better overall engine performance. Pros: OEM-approved formula, great for modern diesel engines. Excellent injector protection. Cons: smaller bottle compared to some competitors. This makes it one of the best diesel treatments for modern common rail diesel engines. Number 3 on our list is Power Service Diesel 911, a product designed specifically for emergency diesel fuel problems. If your diesel engine won't start due to water contamination or gelled fuel in cold weather, Diesel 911 can help restore fuel flow quickly. It works by breaking down water contamination and de-icing frozen fuel filters. That's why many truck drivers keep a bottle of this in their vehicle during winter. Pros: extremely effective emergency solution. Works in freezing temperatures, fast results. Cons: not meant for regular everyday use. Think of Diesel 911 as an emergency diesel fuel rescue treatment. Number 3 on our list is Power Service Diesel 911, a product designed specifically for emergency diesel fuel problems. If your diesel engine won't start due to water contamination or gelled fuel in cold weather, Diesel 911 can help restore fuel flow quickly. It works by breaking down water contamination and de-icing frozen fuel filters. That's why many truck drivers keep a bottle of this in their vehicle during winter. Pros: extremely effective emergency solution. Works in freezing temperatures, fast results. Cons: not meant for regular everyday use. Think of Diesel 911 as an emergency diesel fuel rescue treatment. And finally, at number 1, we have Hot Shot's Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. This additive is extremely popular among diesel truck owners because it combines multiple benefits in one formula. It helps disperse water in diesel fuel, clean fuel injectors, increase fuel lubricity, boost cetane levels. That means better combustion and smoother engine performance. Many diesel owners use this product at every fuel fill-up as preventative protection. Pros: excellent water control. Improves fuel system lubrication, great for everyday use. Cons: slightly more expensive than basic treatments. Because of its balanced formula, this is easily one of the best diesel fuel additives for preventing water contamination. Before buying a diesel fuel treatment, Here are a few things you should consider. First, make sure the additive includes water dispersant technology, which helps break down water particles so they can be safely burned during combustion. Second, look for additives that improve fuel lubricity, since modern diesel fuel doesn't lubricate fuel system components as well as older diesel fuels. And finally, consider whether you need an everyday preventative treatment or an emergency water removal product. So here's a quick recap of the best diesel treatments for water in fuel. Best overall, Hot Shot's Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. Best value, Lucas Oil Fuel Treatment. Best premium performance, Arcole R6500 Diesel Treatment. Any of these additives can help protect your diesel engine and prevent costly fuel system damage. If you want to check the latest prices for these diesel treatments, the links are in the description below. And if you enjoy automotive reviews and car gadgets, subscribe for more videos like this.